Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market right now, crypto market is in shambles, especially due to the fact that Bitcoin is testing a critical support of 93,000. Therefore, there is a lot of outflow from majority of the altcoins, and this could be a perfect opportunity to DCA into your favorite coin. But as 2025 is heating up, there is going to be a lot of major events that are going to be pumping up the market hard, and especially we are going to be having a bull year, which is going to be 2025, especially once Trump gets into the office at the end of January. Trust me, the crypto market will make a reversal that a lot of you guys will regret if you don't buy into your favorite coin. Now, one thing that will never have a problem if the market is moving sideways, upwards, or downwards is wallets. Now, you know that Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Solfair, you can name those big wallets and all of them do well. Well, how do they do even better is every single one of them always have a token. Well, let's talk about Best Wallet. This is a new wallet that will be coming out very soon, and they are doing a pre-sale for their token. Now, this token is going to be huge. Just to give you perspective, get the best next gen wallet token of 2025 now. On Play Store and App Store, they have 4.5% rating, and Crypto News and Technopedia and Cointelegraph have already talked about the best wallet token, and that's pretty much what we need for the exposure. They have raised about $6.1 million, so it's still very early into the project. If you do get in now, there is still a very strong opportunity that you can get up to 10x in a really short period of time. Buy the best wallet token now. The best wallet token benefits. The best wallet boosts 50% month-on-month user growth and is on track to capture 40% of the 11 billion wallet market by 2026. Buy the best token above or directly in app to enjoy the unveiled holder benefits. Early access to new project, reduced transaction fee, higher staking rewards, and community governance. So obviously holding this token is not just going to be something just because it's related to a really popular thing. It's going to be doing well. It's more like the token also has its own benefits, and the best benefit being the higher staking rewards. It's been recommended on some really big news, and that's why I feel like it's actually doing extremely well. It supports more than 60 chains, and this is just the best wallet ecosystem that if you just want to use USD and buy Bitcoin, you can do so very easily. This token is definitely going to be doing well due to the fact how much future plans they have. They're going to be releasing Best Card. Best Card is a crypto debit card that allows you to seamlessly spend your crypto holding in Best Wallet on real world transactions similar to a traditional debit card. What's the best part? Well, you get a cashback, and at the same time, it's not going to be requiring a KYC. So that's very good. And Best DEX is a native decentralized exchange of the Best Wallet ecosystem. The roadmap right now is the market research, passcode, login, two-step verification. Make sure you get all of that done. They are right now in the second phase, which is the new token launchpad, freight, off-ramp, and support 60+, and then address book and get the limit orders and stop losses, everything connected to the best wallet. And you can see there are some really big names around the world which are actually talking about the best wallet, and Trust is by a lot of users around the entire world, and they are going to be also doing some airdrops in the future. If you talk about the token, as you can see, there's nothing wrong with the audit. It's perfectly perfect, and if you do decide to buy the token, you can actually stake it away for about 340% return per annum right now, which is a huge return. And obviously, as more and more people are going to be buying the token, the per annum return is obviously going to go down slowly. The Twitter following is about 27,000, and they do have the gold tick, which is due to the fact that they are related to another company, which is obviously going to be allowing them to have the gold tick. And their also influence on the post they're making is quite good, as they are getting a decent amount of attention. And their Telegram has about 18,000 subscribers. So this token is already established enough for you to understand that this is going to be doing well, but at the same time, it's very early for what they can achieve. If you do want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. You simply just need to go to the website. Then you guys can buy with crypto or card. If you want to buy with crypto, just connect the wallet that you're using, or you can also just use Best Wallet and then go ahead and purchase it that way. And then you guys will be able to purchase. The price right now is one Best Wallet is about 0.2 cents, or you can say about 2.3 cents. That's the price right now. If you do want to purchase it, the link will be in the description. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. This is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research, and I'll see you very soon.